Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In the last episode we complete how to swap two variables without using a temporary variable and talk about how it's important for memory and avoid creating another object. Today we're going to talk about another challenge, and this challenge also have some mathematical logic involved. This challenge is called searching a factorial, and you gotta apply this formula to make it work. This is a mathematical formula that says x factorial using a exclamation point and exclamation signal, sorry, is equal to x times x minus 1, and it's gonna multiply all the positive integer between the input number and 1. As an example, you see 5. 5 is an input number. It's going to multiply 5, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It's going to give you 120. This is going in decreasing order. As you see a pattern over there. So also there is a rule that we had to take care of, and this rule is factorial 0 is equal to 1. And to know y is equal to 1, we had to rearrange the formula. So let's say we start with x factorial equal to x times x minus 1 factorial. Then we move the x to the other side. If you see here, I already moved x to the other side. Is equal to x factorial, x minus 1 factorial. And now let's test for 0. Factorial 0 only occurs when x is equal to 1. It means when the input is 1. So let's say we substitute x for 1 and say 1 minus 1 factorial, that gives us 0 factorial, and 1 over 1 is equal to 1. So now that we know this, let's jump to the coding part. So first, let's create a class. I'm gonna create a class, and we're gonna call this class finding factorial. Let's let's use operators. Finding factorial. Factorial. So finding factorial. Let's use main method. Okay. So then in this class, we're gonna create a method called public static, and we're gonna return an int, and we're gonna call it search factorial. This method will take as parameter an integer number. So let's create a result variable that will hold the result. So let's create int result is equal, remember, let's set it to 1 because the worst case is 0, and we're gonna give it to 1. So let's say we create a for loop for int I equal to input. We're gonna make a for loop that works backward. So if I is bigger than 0, because it only said positive numbers, then I minus minus. Oh, it's not input, it's number, right? And then we're gonna say result is equal result. So we are adding the new value every time times I. And here we're gonna print out result. We're gonna return results result. Alright, let's see, return result. Fixed variable, rich variable. Mm. Oh, yeah, because we are inside. Oh, yeah, we never want to reach. So let's say, so let's print out, says print out result. So let's call factorial 5. It should give us 20. Nice. So that means we are good. So a way to format this, we could change this here. It's gonna be the same. You can test it with some, let's say with 1. Search factorial, and the number we will not use 1. It's gonna give us, should give us 1. And factorial 0 should give us 1, 2. And yes, that's all for today. And if you like it, make sure you click the like button. And remember, life is beautiful. Subscribe.